What is up, guys? Market opens in 2 minutes. Let me just go live. Alrighty. What is up, guys? How we doing? How's it hanging? Market opens in 2 minutes. Share my screen. Okay, you guys can see. Be Gucci, be Gucci, be Gucci. Okay, so today, right? I do not really, honestly love anything in particular. Wait, let me tell everyone to join up. Okay. I do not particularly love anything in particularly love anything. So, if we take a look at this 4 hour, I like we're clearly established, like we're clearly in a downtrend here. But the thing is that if we were in a downtrend, we would have respected this bearish PD ray, right? Because that bearish PD ray sat just in 50%, right? We had that liquidity sweep, we had the 4 hour gap, right? So this tells me that price is not bearish anymore, because if price was bearish, we would have respected that. That's like an A plus 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 setup, right? So taking a look at this 4 hour, logical drawn liquidity for today is right here, right? If we take a look at this range, right, this range high to the range low, okay, we are already in 50%. Okay, we are already over here. There's nothing for price to reverse to from. Wow, I can't speak. There's nothing for price to reverse from. Yo, Aloe, I'm gonna kick you. There's nothing for price to reverse from. Um, there's nothing for price to. Bro, why can't I speak? Besides this high. This high is the only thing where price could possibly reverse from. So this is my drawn liquidity today. I don't have enough confidence to be like, okay, I want this high, even though these are like triple equal highs. Looks pretty nice. Relative equal highs right here. Inside of this bearish gap, right? Is that actually in 50% of this range? Yeah, no, it's that one's all right. So this is just my draw for today, okay? So, on the hourly, oh, market just opened, by the way. On the hourly, right, we see, if you take the range from this low to the high that we put in, okay, 50% is like right here, this fair value gap, okay? So I could either short to 50% off of this right here, or I could long at a 50%. Now, based on this, right, this is like an A++, right? We swept that high inside of this hourly bearish gap. Based off that, wait a second. Yeah, so like this candle would need to inverse this 5-minute in order for this trade to be valid, and then like you could take this down to 50%. But I don't love this. And then obviously this would be the PD array right here that we use for the long, this 15-minute gap. Bro, Aloe, I'm telling you that I'm gonna kick you because it's the market just opened and you're asking like, yo, let me speak. Like, bro, gotta lock in, dude. You have to lock in. Like, that's not locking in. No, Henrik, the 8:30 a.m. high has already been swept. So, yeah, it's a shit trade. Okay, so if this candle closes, right, do we have SMT? We do have holy shit, we have a shit ton of SMT. So once this candle closes, this would be a valid short that we could take down to 50%. I would take this. I will take this with super light size. Let me see. Let me see for a second. Hold up. I'll take this with 3 micros because this is a huge range. I could take this with 3 micros. Holy dump. I would not enter all the way down here though. Like, let's wait for this to close. Let me go to MNQ. 50%. Take this with 3 micros. Uh, 12 seconds, 11 seconds. All right, I'm in. Stop is going at this high. I'm in with 3 micros, guys. Literally 3 fucking micros. There is no reason you should be taking this with any crazy size whatsoever. Okay? Zero reason at all. Okay? Um, 50% here. Right. TP is 50%. Okay, I'm gonna partial at this low actually. I'm gonna take 2 off at this low, and then I'm gonna hold 1 runner to 50%. Okay, and that is the trade. That's the trade right here. Um, hmm. I don't, I do not like, oh shit. I do not like that my partial is all the way down here. I'm gonna partial and go break even at this because it's a 1-to-1. Actually, I'm just gonna take it to this low, bro. I don't need the whole fucking. I don't need it to 50%. That's kind of egregious. Not gonna lie. I'll take it to this low for 2R. Yeah, we have. This is beautiful. We have the SMT right here. Right. So we'll see what happens here. Fuck, dude, this is really difficult, man. This is definitely going to 50%. Like, that's the thing. All right, fuck it. We take it to 50%. And then we're gonna partial 1 here. And then we'll partial 1 at this low. And then final TP will be there. And then for this, This is going to be partial slash BE. And then this is going to be partial okay. Yep. And then this is full TP at 50%. Okay. All right, guys. Yeah, we could have gotten a better entry, but I'm still happy with this entry. Yeah, stop is at the high. Let's see some displacement. Shit ton of SMT. I low-key want to see what NQ is doing. Hold up. How's this ugly ass chart? Oh shit. Yeah, so what I don't like about this is I don't like that we are respecting this. Like if we inverse this is the same, literally same situation as yesterday. If we inverse this 15 minute, like we're gonna displace heavy, but like until we do that, we're just gonna be consolidating. Um, so it's kind of annoying, but whatever. We have a ways to go. Again, guys, like it's just important since I'm trading MNQ, I need to be aware of what's happening on NQ because like it's possible that we tap 50% on NQ and not MNQ. So if we were to do that, I need to close a position. So let's see. There we go. I like that. Again, guys, like I'm in this trade literally with 3 micros. There's absolutely no reason for you to be in this trade with like anything more than 5 micros, honestly. There we go. Nice displacement. Yes, sir. Taking partials. That trailing drawdown, bruh. This has to come back to 50%, bro. And this is like too beautiful, bro. Look at that sweep inside of this hourly gap. Like that is gorgeous. That is fucking gorgeous right there. Like this is the exact setup that like would bring this back to 50%. You get me? So let's just see if we inverse this 15 minutes right here. Don't want to see us respect this 15-minute, bro. I really don't. And that's what we're doing. Oh no, no, what's the name? Guys, to be honest, if we get stopped out of this trade, I'm probably not going to take anything else today. Um, just because like I don't like this price action that much. Like we have all the bearish confluences. So if this trade doesn't play out, I don't love this PA. I'm gonna sit out. Bro, TBK, why are you going break even already? Like, what? I don't understand. I'm literally trading in front of you guys. Like, how are you still like fucking it up? Like, I'm literally trading in front of you, like right in front of you. I'm trying to fucking draw this line right here. Trying to make it look nice. Yeah, we're really just chopping around. I told you if we don't inverse this, oh shit. I told you if we don't inverse this 15-minute, we're just gonna be consolidating. So we're just consolidating right now. Not gonna lie. I would low key want like a resweep of this high right here, maybe. And then that could sort of catapult the move downwards towards these lows. But we have a lot of LRR right here, low resistance liquidity. So let's just see. Also, TBK, what the fuck is the point of going break even if you're just gonna re-enter right away? Like, why would you even go break even at that point? Like, oh, I got break even from this trade. Just let me just go. Let me just re-enter the trade. Oh, I'm probably gonna get stopped right here. Yeah, that stopped. Alrighty then. There goes that. That's gonna be the only trade I take today. Damn, I really like that setup. Hmm. Nah, TBK, you can't blame PA, bro. Cannot blame PA. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, so I'm not gonna take anything else. That was the trade from today. We can watch price though. Yeah, I don't really know what price is gonna do here. Like, it doesn't make sense to me that we re-swept that high. I mean, bullish. Like, that is no doubt. We are fucking bullish. Uh, so maybe the rebalance doesn't just come yet. This PA is like weird as fuck though. You couldn't have even entered like longs here. Like off of this gap, there was no long. There's no inversion or anything. So it's just kind of brutal. Ah, shit, dude. This is really teasing me, man. This inversion right here. Off of the resweep. Ah. Nah. Yeah, guys, I'm not taking anything else today. Like, that was the last trade. Was the last trade. So this is gonna be a relatively short fucking live trading session, huh? Relatively short. Like, there's no bottom wick on this fucking daily candle. Maybe I think we might be. Yeah, that's that fucking 4 hour high. This is my draw for today. Uh, it looks like we're gonna resweep that to go lower. I'm gonna put alert on that actually. Let me do it on NQ actually. I might like swing some options if we right there. Yeah, there we go. Just change the message to like uh easy money. Um so yeah guys, wait, I'm gonna end the live trading session here, folks. Okay. This whole thing is gonna be up on YouTube. So if any of you guys want to rewatch like why I took that trade or whatever, it's gonna be there for you guys. Nah, I'm not gonna go live again. No, I'm not gonna take that. I'm not gonna take that trade. I just wanna see. Might swing some puts, like options. Not sure. Alright, peace out guys. Alright, YouTube. YouTube. So we took that loss, as you guys saw. Pretty good trade. Happy with that trade. That's going to be the only trade for today. Nothing else. So with that being said, peace out. Hopefully this video helped you, and I have a banger video coming out later today. It's going to be a crazy video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Peace out. Catch you in the next one.